Hello parents, today I will show you how to help your child look and respond to his name by using ABA. ABA stands for Applied Behavior Analysis. Let's begin with a simple demonstration. First, you put the child in a quiet area. No distractions, no music, and no children around him. If he looks and responds to his name, you give him a reinforcer such as favorite toy, snack, or just say great job, or clap your hands. James, James. James, James. James, James. James, James. Good job, you are James. James, James. This is James. Here is James. James, James. Good job. This is James. Here's James. James. Good job. This is James. Here's James. James. Good job. This is James. James. Good job. This is James. Here's James. This is James. Here is James. James. Good job. This is James. Here's James. Good job.